You ever wanted to get into flipping houses, but you don't have the time, money, or the resources, or the know-how? Well, now is your perfect time because we are inviting sellers to partner with us on our program that's called Flip Your Own House. And today we're gonna be touring 2 of our projects that we've partnered with sellers on today that's creating more equity in their house. We're doing the renovations, we're paying for them, and we're gonna market these properties and sell them for top dollar, creating more equity for our sellers. Stick around, I'm gonna show you 2 of these projects today. Let's take a look, come on. Another really cool thing about our Flip Your Own House program, the sellers, well, they need to go somewhere. And we're gonna give you up to $15,000 for relocation expenses up front, so you can go to your next destination, and then we can bring in one of these things, big old dumpster, and come in and do the trash out. And hey, don't forget, kind word is never wasted. So let's go check in the progress of this property. We're going to complete the property up to about 80%, and then we're gonna let the buyers come in and choose all of the finishes. So we'll do a virtual tour of the property, allow them to choose all of their finishes on the property through a virtual tour, which applies it right to the property. And then the buyers get to basically customize their home. And then once we close on the property, it'll be completely installed and finished. But let's go check out the progress of this one right now. It's kind of cool front yard. It's all fenced and enclosed. You've got a little dog. This is a nice area. Come on in the front. So as you can see, we opened this completely wide open. We have pony walls here, took out the pony walls, and then the kitchen as well. We had a wall here that enclosed this whole kitchen, and now it's a wide open concept for this whole area. So imagine as a buyer walk into the property, now you have the ability to choose paint colors, flooring choices, backsplashes, countertops. So come on in the bathroom. So you get to choose your countertops, the surround for the tile for the shower, and just completely customize and upgrade your property before you move in, and it's all included in the price. So on this property, the seller had a pool that had a leak in it and didn't have the resources to get it fixed. It's been empty for 3 years. And come and check out the progress of what we've done. Completely resurfaced, replastered, and refreshed the entire pool. And now you have a nice, beautiful, big, deep pool in your backyard, and it's ready to go for that summertime fun. And this property just happens to come complete with Tesla solar panels to keep those summertime energy bills pretty much next to nothing. So standing in front of house number 2, this is our second project that we partnered with our sellers in the Flip Your Own House program. In this house, we're gonna get the sellers an extra $50,000 to $70,000 in their pocket by partnering with us. So really great win-win scenario. Love partnering with sellers on this. Why sell your home to a quick close cash offer when you can partner with us, create more equity, and we will split the profits. Let's go check this one out. Come on in. Actually, standing here in the driveway, I really like this. It's a really nice, quiet community. We're on a cul-de-sac, beautiful mountain views over there. We're across the street from Bishop Gorman, right on the cusp of Summerlin. It's a beautiful neighborhood and a nice house. Single story, 3-car garage, split garage with a pool in the back, and we'll go back and check out the pool. Inside, 80% complete. Buyer gets to choose the rest of their options. We complete the property before it closes. Buyer moves into a brand new, beautiful home with their choice of options. Come on in. Bare floors, again, choice of options. And then we put options into the home as well so that you can kind of see, but we also do a virtual tour, allows you to see those options applied to the property. And maybe I'll put a link up here that will describe the process, and then you can see it firsthand. So in the kitchen, obviously you can see a little bit of outdated granite and counter and cabinets here. So the buyer has the option for brand new countertops in here that can match the rest of the countertops in the property in the bathrooms. And then we could even paint the cabinets in here to kind of change that, that outdated look, if you will. This here as well, there's an option to remove this wall and make this a completely wide open space, which would in turn make this just one big great room here. But come on over here, check this out. It's my favorite part of the house, the backyard, the pool. Built-in barbecue. There's another patio area off of the kitchen with a TV. Put some patio furniture there, cool place to hang out. Outdoor kitchen and barbecue. We've got a fountain back here. Beautiful pool. And an outdoor fire pit over there for a nice cozy area to hang out right outside of your primary bedroom. Slider wall comes out to the back. In the primary bedroom, we made some changes in here to open up the space and make it much bigger. You can see where the walls were prior. This was a closet, and we wiped out the closet, made the closet in the bathroom much bigger, and now we've created way more space in the primary bedroom. You also have your walkout here where we talked about where the outdoor fireplace is and the pool. Come on and check out the bathroom. In the closet, increased the space of the closet, moved the toilet, and took out the bathtub, put in this walk-in stand-up shower because nobody uses bathtubs anymore. All right, this could be an office, game room, whatever you'd like it to be. And there's actually a bathroom, an ensuite off of the office here. And again, choose the finishes that go in here. So this property had 3 bedrooms in the den or the office. And with this bedroom, they didn't have a closet in this bedroom. So we actually added this closet here. And then you have outdoor access to the courtyard. So it could be a mother-in-law suite, next-gen suite, whatever you'd like to call it. So what'd you think? Pretty cool program, very proud of it. We're helping a lot of sellers get more equity out of their homes, and really just a win-win scenario for everybody involved. Now, if you'd like more information on this or any other projects that we're doing here in Vegas, please reach out, comment below, flip your own house, and I'll reach out to you with all the details. And in the meantime, I'm gonna hang out with Sparky over here and enjoy this pool. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Oh, hey, don't forget to watch these videos. They're pretty cool too. See you later.